You did put in your best, and we are where we are now. So we thank you so much.
There's never been a better time to get things sorted out, right?
Yeah, it was so timely. Considering the unstable nature of things right now.
Yeah, these are strange times. And I've been practicing immigration law for more than 20 years, and I can tell you, things have never gotten easier. And right now, that's especially true. Before you hired us, or right when you hired us, what exactly was going on? What were you struggling with?
Yeah, I was just in a state of confusion. I did apply for my asylum, and it was already close to 5 years and no feedback. It was just, I kept checking the status, and it would just continue saying, you're waiting for an interview, an in-person interview, and all that over the years. So.
And what was your sort of like your worst moment before you hired us? Where were you? Well, how would you describe that as? Just sort of stuck?
Yeah, I was just like in a tight corner, and you can't travel, you can't go anywhere. And the unfortunate thing too is that I've just been here by myself. My children have been back home. So being away from my children and not having a way for them to come over, meet me, and things were getting bad for them on that side as well, I couldn't really help. So it was really a difficult situation.
And once we started working on your case, things eventually started moving. You know, it worked, right?
Yeah, of course, it did work. It did work. I'm really glad it did work.
Now that you're approved, what's next for you?
Okay. Let me start by thanking you and your team for the great job you did for me. I really do appreciate it. There are many forms you made, the promises. Anyway, you didn't make promises that it must go through, but you will do your best, and you did put in your best, and we are where we are now. So we thank you so much.
Yes.
Your team too the communication was awesome, and in getting all the details they needed, it was wonderful. And I also noticed that they were right on top of it. Immediately, each update that was coming in, I was being notified, even though I was getting the notification, but these things I didn't understand, they will go ahead to explain to me that this is the situation. So I really do appreciate that. So I can't move on without explaining that part of it. So if it wasn't a good experience, I'm sure I would have been writing a very bad review now. But it was a good one.
That's great.
It was a good one. So thank you.
Yeah, we're grateful that we had a chance to help you. I know how important this case is to you, and so I'm proud that we were able to do a good job and get you where you wanted to go.
Thank you.